Take number 387 million.
It will be. Okay, so we ordered a heater for our van that we camperized. We camperized a 1995 Toyota Previa van, and because of the cold Canadian winters, we need a heater for it. So we ordered a heater a while back, and it actually never showed up. So we ended up canceling it, getting a refund, and ordering a new one. But lo and behold, it looks like it showed up anyway. So we're gonna unbox this heater and see what we have inside. Good there. Alright, so inside we have our fuel tank.
That tank there was too big. It also has to be stored vertically, so we bought this one on Amazon. It's only 5 liters, but it also allows us to fit it in right beside where the heater's going to be.
Alright, that is the actual heater. So it looks actually quite a bit different than the last one in terms of aesthetics. But I think all the necessary parts are still there. Now this is this the remote?
Yeah, this one came with the remote.
Okay, so that's handy. What was this again?
Fuel pump.
Right. And this is like the controller, I presume, right?
Yes,
that you
that's
install
the controller
inside.
that we don't like. That one apparently the screen goes dim on it after a year and doesn't work very well long term.
Alright.
It's the fuel line. The muffler.
Looks like we have two.
Oh, this one came with a T and 2 separate vents, which may come in handy.
Here's the T. So now the last heater was actually missing a few pieces, wasn't it? Or was it the...
Yeah, I didn't have the T. From what I understand, the parts in these are always kind of a bit of a hit and miss. That's the exhaust pipe.
So maybe between the two of them we might have enough parts for everything?
Well, I think about more than enough, yeah, but that T didn't come, so...
Saw that.
Yeah, that's just a bag of goodies. It looks like a fuel filter in there.
Some more hoses.
2 lengths of the interior, and that's the intake combustion hose, the small one.
Oh, and more stuff hiding in between that. Cords.
Wiring harness. And the intake combustion air filter and muffler. So about what we were expecting. Oh, and then there's the mounting plate.
Yep.
Or turret plate, I think as they call it.
And that's all.
Yeah. So really the big difference between this kit and the last one was this T. And then these two, we only have one of those pieces of large, that's for directing the hot air, as well as the 2 vents. The other kit only came with one. And the other kit was supposed to come with a remote, and this one wasn't, but this one came with the remote. So yeah, between the two we should have all the parts we need. And these guys wanted us to ship it back, but it was going to cost as much as the heater was, and that wasn't an option, so I guess we just get two.
Alright, now we can assemble and put it to use.
Or do you want to say like subscribe?
Not really. Most people think that's corny anyway.